So today I'm putting the soffits on. I've already done the soffit on the front overhang. I kind of used that as my experimental phase where I was trying to basically figure out how to do it with nobody to help me. So it's basically just going to be a bracket here to hold the soffit so that it doesn't just bend and crack. And then I get the soffit, which I've already cut to length. There you go. And then I can just line it up and start nailing it in. I'm using plastic headed nails, 30mm for the soffits, and I'm going to use 40mm for the facias. Now you want a hammer with a smooth kind of head on it, simply because I was using I don't know what type of hammer it was, but it was similar to this. But it had it was almost like a meat tenderizer texture on the front, and that just ruined these nails. It just ruined them. So it's nice to keep them nice and shiny. So I've got me colour matched H trim there, and that's just going to slide in. Like that. And I don't want it all the way to the edge because there's going to be a fascia here. So I've cut it short, and then this slides in there. We leave a bit of a gap just for expansion, and then we can start nailing that. But before we start nailing it, I need to mark where the joists are. So, time to put the fascias on. Not sure if you can see from there, but I've already pre-nailed in my poly top pins. So it's just a case of getting this over the edge and hammering it home. I've got to get it in the right place as well. That's too far. Let's just get some of these in the middle, pull it up really tight. Now I've already taken the plastic off the front, so I'm hitting these all the way home. Right, so there's the first fascia on. I've only got one row of nails because when I fold this rubber back down and use the rubber trims, they're going to have their own pins, so that those pins will go through the rubber trim and through there. So just one set of pins for now. So here's the next piece. I'm just going to pop the nails in. Yeah, take this off first though. So now we've got these nails in. Just got to offer this up. That's about right. Well, that's the front done. I've got the kind of join trim to put on there as well. But I think that's quite a good. I think that looks quite good. So same as the front. I'm just going to put the nails in before offering it over. Now I actually cut a little kind of gap in this edge. Don't know if you can see that. And that's so that it doesn't overlap with the corner on the front. So let's get some nails in this. Now it's not forecast to rain today, but it is looking pretty grey. And that's the front and both sides done now. Just got to do the back. And then once all the facias are on, I can glue this rubber roof down and put the roof trims on. So yeah, let's do it. So I've done all the facias and the soffits now. The sun's come out, which is good. So what that means is I can leave the rubber roof just overhanging the edges, and the sun's going to warm it up. It'll be nice and soft, and I'll go and have a break and come back, and then I'm going to glue down the rubber roof and do the roof trims. So I guess I'll see you in a bit. It's a bit of a race against time now. It was sunny, but now it's not, and it's intermittently spitting. Now we're not forecast any more dry days for quite a while, so I absolutely have to get this done today. And the wind is picking up, and because I've done the facias and soffits, I don't want to just screw the rubber just randomly to the side just to keep it down. I need to finish the roof today. So these all come with the roof kit. So you basically tell them how big your roof is, and they give you a bit extra either lengthways and widthways, and they give you all this stuff as well, which is cool. So now I have to peel up the edges and glue these bits down. So you'll notice here I didn't actually film me fitting the rubber roof trims. That's just because my camera died, unfortunately, and I had to go and get another battery. But back to me now for the end of the video. So that's the roof pretty much done. The only thing I haven't done today is the gutter trim, and that's because I need to get some batten along the back edge of the garden room just to push the gutter trim out a little bit, so that when I put a gutter on, the water can kind of fall into the gutter. Right now it's just not far enough away from that fascia board. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this video. The roof has been glued around the edges. I still need to put some corner trims on this roof trim. But if you like this video, please hit like, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Soon I'm going to be working on the interior and then the cladding for the outside. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you soon.